In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Wallet not working. First, make sure NFC is enabled, because Google Wallet needs near-field communication to talk to payment terminals. Open your phone settings and look for NFC. Depending on your device, it might be under Connections, Connected Devices, or a search bar will find it quickly. Turn NFC on. While you are there, some phones show a contactless payments or default payment app option. Ensure Google Wallet is selected, so your tap to pay goes through the right app. Next, restart your phone. A simple reboot clears temporary glitches, refreshes system services like NFC and Google Play services, and often restores wallet functionality. Hold the power button, choose Restart, and give it a moment to come back up before testing again. If issues persist, clear Google Wallet's cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Google Wallet, tap Storage, and select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Cache removes temporary files. Data resets the app to a clean state. After this, you will need to open Google Wallet again and sign back in. And you may need to set up your cards inside Wallet once more. This step resolves many stubborn app side problems. Make sure everything is up to date. Open the Play Store, check for updates to Google Wallet and Google Play services, and install any pending updates. Then go to your phone settings and look for System Update or Software Update to bring your Android OS to the latest version. Updates include bug fixes, security patches, and compatibility improvements critical for payments. Open Google Wallet. Tap your profile icon and check your tap to pay setup. Confirm that your payment method is added, verified, and eligible for contactless payments in your region. If a card shows an action required message, follow the on-screen steps to complete verification so it's ready at terminals. Verify that you have a secure screen lock set. Google Wallet requires a PIN, pattern, or biometric like fingerprint. Go to Settings, then Security or Lock Screen, and make sure it's not set to None or Swipe. If you recently changed your lock method, reopen Wallet so it recognizes the secure lock. Finally, check your internet connection. While many terminals allow limited offline taps, Wallet still needs a stable connection to sync payment tokens and complete setup. Toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch networks if needed or briefly turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection before trying again. That's it. Thanks for watching.